Kani kadai kadudarshan Meghalaya bat ngi pidang somhai pi baro sya katup khubor menta kastap. Shuaban pa sya ki khubor ki babanya ngini pet shwai ki mat bokongsan. Yat bet ki project Hanyu Shillong kat kum kapor balabu wat hadian basya pentut hau Islam ong usambut menteri rangba kejalau bas nyaw bhalang dhar. Ban biang sa sisian ye kajing persya ajur ka sarkar jala hakabayade bat kajing ti uranium. Ki office sarkar kim dei bandan ya ki jaka mani belai ong UMLA ka sang BJP uba EL hek hadian bami ka huri hura hapo ka office CBI. Sedang biang kibor penyat ke Ribhoi district banyakun persya ka jingshlei Hajarabad hukum ban pen bahai kenala bat bande ya ki wei pat ki kam ki badan kam. Yada ka JNC bat JSU ya ka jing ya kho persya jong ki ha JHADC ong ba ka jing yat pat ba ka dei kat kum ka rinti senshar pat ba bat kenno persya ya ka council bakalale bom sunyo ya ki jing sngo jong ki halor ka Shri Cement project. Bat job ka Argentina ya ka England da arla ka way and ya kun persya ya ka Spain ha ka final. Mintangin na paishwa siya kikhubuan ni Kajila. Usambut menteri rangba Kajila uba senyaw bhalang dhar, ula ong bawat la katu kat nitili ki project Hanyu Shillong kila sakhi ya kajing slam trekam na kadaw jang kajing jor slam bat kasamay trekam kabalingkot. Henry ki kam kiyat bet kat kum kapuar balabu. Uba dhar ula ong ba insalit jingo hi daladi ya ki project ki bakam he ha kalai phau tarik unaitung ban penti kena ba ki kam ki yat kamstat da ka ba benrap ba kam dan kanu ka jingduna pisa bala siuru ha ka puar ka ba biang ya ki contractor halor ka jingti uranium ula pinskhem biang ba ki nongrim jong ka sarkar Meghalaya kam sham kala satya bat ba kam kwa ru ya ba kan don ka jingti uranium hapo ka jila.
CVM visit the New Shillong area township, almost all the projects. So yes, some of the project is in good progress, and yes, few project it seems a little bit slow. So I have already fixed a date. Tentatively, I'll visit on the 30th of July again by myself. So we'll try to monitor it. We'll request them to be speed project at the earliest possible. I have received some information from the same office. Few of the project is slow, not that much slow, but it seems they are unable to respond as per time. So I think we from the Urban Affairs Department, I plan to visit on 30th whole day to there as of today. So we request the conductor, the personal conductor to follow up immediately with their respective project. No reason, something point about, Meghalaya is raining place and the working season is very slow and very less, maximum 6 to 7 months. So maybe that is one of the reason, because in time of payment there is no delay, we give them payment timely. So they said the reason is one reason that it seems this year rain is little bit disturbed, so maybe that is one of the reasons. So we will try to coordinate with the conductor accordingly. The clause is different from tender to tender, not the same clause for all the projects. So obviously clause will be there. If the conductor is delay, there will be penalties. If they simply delay for no reason, obviously they have to face the penalty clauses. And if they delay beyond time, so that they have to seek renewal for the project only. But as of now, all the projects are still within time limit. But the only thing that it seems some projects a little bit.
Shisi hadian bakaseng Khasi Student Union kalakhang talaya ka wei ka tambal badangshna hapo ka opet CBI hanomba Shillong UMLA ka seng BJP uba EL hek ula ong baki opet sarkar kemde bandon satya yaki jaka maniblay habay kran bat kilat patay kubor uba EL hek ula ong baki opet jongka sarkar jila bat kumjuru jongka sarkar pedeng kemde bandon satya yakinu ki jaka maniblay daka babenrap bayaki kam maniblay day ban penlong ha ki jong ki yeng ki sam lani ha ki jaka maniblay balabu kerpang kini ki jingkran jong u kilami hadian bakaseng KSU kala aipor shitayo banwengno yakani ka jaka maniblay yakabala kenno ru balashna klem dadan jingbet satya.
All the community will be working. All the community will be working in one organizations. It should not have any worship place. Worship place should have a separate worship place, not only in the workplace. That is, I am not against nor favor of anybody who is going to stop for the construction or not. That is a secondary for me. But my general opinions, my personal opinion is, in any workplace, whether it is in the state government or central government, there's a worship place. It should be in your own private place only, or you can go to the identified worship places, not on the public place. The government official offices are the public place. All kind of public will go. Why you want to create unnecessary, create unnecessary inconvenience for the people who are working in that organizations or any other organizations.
Ki bor penyat ke Ribohoi district kelas dang ya kilat kilinti ki batmai banile persha e gajing shlei ka balajuja manla kapor ha kathan jurabat khanapara da ka penyat e gajing lang ka bakarpang udc ka Ribohoi u Dr. Abhishek Saini ula batha e kitna trekam man compensate e ki kam ha ka bayade be gajing pinhe e kinala ban pin khoi e kilinti bat ban shnaru e ki check dam ha ki jaka baju shlei Ula ong ba kibor penya ki kloy ban wat ki lat kelinti ban penbet yakani bat lakan turu ru yakipat ba ban kyar nakaban bret ki jabo jaban shakinala namar kani kanang penjur shu ika jingsle hakapor bajur slap.
We discussed at length the various immediate measures as well as the long-term measures that are required to be taken. Various measures have already been taken in the past also. However, we need to speed that up, and our effort was to make sure that that the flooding problem we can mitigate, and also what to do so that in long term the impact is less. Officials from NESAC were also there, and decisions were taken in various categories, like for example widening the drains that are there, and to NHAI cleaning of the drains, and at the same time any kind of constructions required, whether check dams or other places. And we focused on the hotspots where flooding has been recurring, and we have also issued various orders. And I would also urge the various citizens to please make sure that the garbage is not thrown into the drains, because many cases we have seen that it ends up clogging the drains, and in the end the water does not get the proper outlet and it leads to flooding.
Kaseng Jaintia National Council but Kaseng Jaintia Students Union Kilakirshani Gajayaki Persha Junki ha Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council Hakaba Kilakintat Yakajinkan Tua Persha Jong CEM Uba Thombor Shiwat Habakren Shakilat Patai KHUBOR Hindin Kasngi U President ka JNC Uba Sambor Milingdo Ulo ong bakini kiseng kilat panjing bet nakabantaban pelong igajingyat patba bat kila pendon kamru yakahok katkum kariti senshar patba ban persha yakajing tmu ban wanra yakashri cement project halum serman ula keno persha ru baka district council kam shamlala ban penbet yakijing akabayade bakajing shimjaka bat kajing ay yakisernat no objection certificate Bat ula keno ru ba UCM ula kyar bani keren bat ula sngotu bakala yaki kendon an hakabaya day bat karukam bat kendo katkom kiriti dostor.
Netai daw do phone mo chaki pulit. Da pa o ki open money gani ka jingi kita ne daw. Wa ki nong chong chnong yong ka ilaka nong kle da am ka jing chak kene jubor. Yong ki thau ki yong ki da hapok ka jingya khmat ka yong daloi da bandaw gani ki thau chaka shiri cement. Klem da yok bor la ne klem ka jing tip yong kini ki tre thau. Kat kam ka jing snyau thok ka yong I kam ka ki arseng ka JSU wa ka JNC. Itimi wuto wopai ya ki kenrum kenram lene ki auri yang ka kendau ka ciap to ka kamram yang ka district council. Ya ka district council da pengkubor da ka Constitution of India lang ba ka 6 schedule. Wopai ki ya ka jingguri hurah ka kendau ka ciap ha ka pot ka sam ha per di ki ar eleka lene ki nong chong chunong. Handai ka wapan stau CE wa uni usi ya madon ne singi wam putibu. Ila pen mani I ki ar sen wa yaki I. Jingkeli ko ai bo yo CM ila bom kelamu. Halor ke jing chak kene yang ki thau ki bhau yang ki pradok ki prasnam ki yang ile OCM sukiu halon ke ni ke jing chat tengkhan ke yang new elaka udala yang ke elaka nong kle ki ain ki role yang ke district council open ban kena ki arsen ki perchang open sa yang ki ain ki kanun yang ke district council kam ki arsen kwa wa ke ni ke district council ke yang iuman ba ka waklan kena yo ya dai ke kendau ke ciap ke yang ina ke jing chat kulun ha kita ki bro ki wan naba
President Kaseng Giant Students Union ujar somshala ula kershani gajing ki badangshan ha JHADC da ka baong baya kani gajing at pat ba lapelong hadin baladap yuwa ya gajing bet ki babyang bat ka badeiru gajing pendankam ya ki hok ban ya ki da ki lenti bajai jai katkum ka riti sen sharpat ba ula ong ba gajing thmu jong kani gajing ki persha kalong ban penpau ya ki jing kno klun jaka jubor ha ilaka nongkle Bat ula kentat ru ya ki jing keno ba ki nong ki persha ki thmu ban pentiang pensir ya ki nong tray ka council. Ushala ula ong ba kaseng kandang yai beteng ya ki jing ki persha jongka na ka benta ban pendu no ya ka sernot NOC na ka benta ka karkhana Shri Semen bat ula maham ru ba ka jing ki kenang jur arsha hadien ba ka be dengklam. Lada ki bor ba de khmi kam sngap ki jing dawa jongki. Hakaba ula banjur ha ka ju ka por ba kin sayat Dakilinti jong ka an halor ke ni ka phang.
Ilam ida kalam chenin oto one he tu kwa kita gijing pen yo bor kita gijing so ada parado parasna dari one ni wa non ni kita gijing sniaw gitu uchale bai ni parado parasna ngi kita gi bru them gi bru duna de ignong ilam yong ga janti arsa mi yiwo yarab iki one ni ka thong ngi we fight ne mentagi issue yang pai ba segawi ge benta wa akulam wa itu isu wa di mani wa wenno yang doloi wa pandami ke NOC yang serius men de illegal NOC wa de AP ina liang gaseng kwa bo AP de wa buram ni para do parasnam na emiga let nem betting klam kwa ai wa bo de line na do next week wa na do ga ar phau to de khat sam sniu e por ni liang ge ar sai wa UCM mjiu le wan ni benta ina liang ge ar sai ban se do lai do wi to wan ruti we ga message ko kwa pha che so CM OEM o to me mi fit man go CM I do wa le o hier chuki ni CM uni bru chong hani o to ron le ni o to u pen yo ban kadau to e dai ga jai bru man pan ban dong ban dai ga jai bru uni CM ga ong team me fit man go CM
Kahinyo Trip National Youth Movement Motion Road Circle Kalakentu ya ka Meghalaya Rural Bank Riangdo Branch Banang penbahai ka jing tray kam nakabenta ki temen ki kru. Ha ka jing elang bat I branch manager henin kasingi kaseng kalapen pau ya ka jing sngaw khuslai jing mut jong ka halor ka jing ujor bakim dan ka jing erap ki babyang nakabenta ki temen ki kru bat ki lakenturu badai banbu kerpang kawe ka kamra tray kam nakabenta jong ki. I branch manager ila kurlar ya kani ka kenhuan ba ensa bishar sani halor ki ni kimat Baki lakadau ba en saleru ya ki kam ki badan kam ban pen bahashu shu ya ki kham shakri pat ba.
HNWM motion sakil hadin ba nilayo ya ka jing ujor na I ba bun yang kani ka tong kan ni brokawai alor ka jing bom nyokor nane ka jing bom burom ki rangba ki longmi ki longpa ki ba lo ta kalian gini seng tak sini layo panen andu pada menjar kalian jung beran menjar pula lar yang ini ba usa aja kajaka kerpang nak kebentaki tu ki temen ki bala nok kata ban ai jaka kerpang nak kebentaki jung ki bat lada kiwan habang kim don kamsyu bandang sim do token lembar ndrei kinsu late back hakatu ke jakaban let's say pisala dan late day jaka balik say pisan lane jaka ban late update de kimdon kamsyu ban dang yang ulang
Laiwat ki khana red kila shudu e yala ka jong ka jing em ka ba kodor henin kasni hadin ba kila sha lempat boarding na ka daw jong ka jing dukut usainar boarding uba khatwe kilowatt hakashnong taling village ka ba hab hapo ka umyam police station haribhoi district Kani ka jingja kalaja hadin ba usainar ubaket ek boarding ka baklan ula dukut bat ubalahap hasurok shnong. Urang ba shnong uba bok nong sab ula ong bakini ki khana red kim tip AA ba uni usainar udang don boarding. Da kababan rap ru ba arngut ne kini kilanot kia dei shiparatrai. Ulakin no ru ba kila pa ikajing ujor halor ki signer boarding ki bala julor bat ka transformer ka bala tut shaka MEECL hashwa ka ni gajingja. Henry omsham la le e ru am hakapor ka babyang. Ya ka sawangka halor ki por barim ka achik achong ya ka bala pensyong nong rem halor gajing unong ya ki lait luet uba paunam na rilom karu u PA sonaram rong ro kre sangma lapin ipat ba ha district auditorium tura hinin kasngi kumshibanta na gajing rakhe ya ka National Theatre Festival arhajar arpun riu kani ka sawangka kal balapin mi habuan jai ki kentien bat balawanra da ka achik theatre tura ka penpau ya ka jing ki ka bajai jai jong usona ram persha ya ka jing sanchar ka sarkar bilat bat kumju ru ya ka jing kershan jong u banyadai ki hok jong ki trai muluk kani ka program kala long shibenta na ka jing rakhi ya ka theatre festival habaro ka wei kari balapelong da ka sanchit natak academy hapo kitanat kolshor jong ka sarkar pedeng ban rakhi ka jing dap shispa san posnem ka jing rwai ietri ka vande mataram.
It is a moving theatre to the courage, resilience, and indomitable spirit of our Dao people. We all know that the life of Sonaram Asama remains a shining example of our truthful leadership and peaceful resistance. When we study his history, we know that his non-violent movement, through non-violent movement, he led our people powerful in demanding the restoration of Khubar Pargana, the abolition of Nazarana Mahal system, and end to forced labor and the reversal of British annexation of Kalapores as territories. His courageous leadership, together with the sacrifice of our Dao people in the struggle for justice, dignity, and their ancestral rights, continue to inspire our generation.
Mentapat ngine pai shiki khubor na kathan shate lami nge. Ki pat buhur bom na te la kamshu ki la kawang mau thang ya ki kali bat penjat na phang hapo ka ktem ki sipai Assam Rifles ha Senapati Manipur hadian baladan ka jingkenra de ki sipai bala penshong nong rem katkum ka jing yo lum jing tep na ki lat sintiat katkum ka jing thu na katanat yadari ki bor sipai ki la te la kam bhai la di da ka ba pendan kam tang da ki kuli pensat khmat ban pen prai ki pat buhur ka wei ka kali Assam Rifles artili ki trok bat ka wei ka kali ripat ba kila sha penjulor la ni kila sha thang om sham ladan ki bayap ni ki bamen saw ha ka ni gijingcha ha ka ba ki bor ba dikhmi kila ya thu ba ka jinglong jingman menta ka yat bet ya rinti menta pat ni ne phai shwa sha ki khubwa ne ka lengkari ka kenhuan mentri sarkar pedeng kala menjur ya ka program semicon 2.0 da ka jinglut ka ba iwei point arpnyo lak lor tingka ban pen khlan ya ka jingpen mi bat ka jingpen wandur ya ki semiconductor jongkari India ka kenhuan mentri kala menjur ru ya ka scheme shna mobile lani ka mobile phone manufacturing scheme ka ba shongdor hadu inrepo 8000 sanspa lor tingka ka national investment policy na ka benta ka urea 8000 arpanrio but artili ki project lenti rel ha Odisha but Jharkhand. Habakren Shakila Pathai Khubor, mentri katana information but broadcasting, u Ashwini Vaishnav, ula ong badaka bashim kabu halor ka jingjob jangka semikan 1.0, ka scheme kabal thmu ban pen khlan shu ya ka jing thmu jangka sarkar ban kenti wi ka jing pen mi semiconductor jangka ri India. Ula ben rabru bakani ka jing thmu kan kenti wi ki kamshna jingshna kan thau kam thau jam kan pen bha shu ika jing dap jing byang naladi but kan pen bha shu ika lek kawan leng ba ki ler hapo kani kari
अगर समझे हम तो जैसे नाखून पे अपना नाम लिखें अगर आप तो फिर भी लिख सकते हो राइट लेकिन अगर आप इसी नाखून पे अगर आपको बोलें कि पूरी रामायण लिखो, पूरी महाभारत लिखो, रामायण और महाभारत जैसे बड़े ग्रंथ अगर इस नाखून पे लिखने हो तो इतना महीन काम, इतना फाइन काम, दैट लेवल ऑफ accuracy, that level of fine work is what this process of fabrication is. ये जो second block में आपको fabricated wafer semiconductor fab जो लिखा हुआ है ना, this is a very very complex task, and people say that human civilization में the most complex manufacturing process if we consider, then it is semiconductor manufacturing process. पूरे मानव सभ्यता में सबसे कॉम्प्लेक्स, सबसे डिफिकल्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का कोई काम है तो सिलिकॉन आई मीन सेमीकंडक्टर का फैब्रिकेशन का काम। उससे फिर एटीएमपी यानी उस वेफर में से चिप, छोटी सी इतनी बारीक चिप जो दिखेगी भी नहीं, उस चिप को निकाल के उसको पूरी कंप्लीट बॉडी देना, उसके लेग्स बनाना, उसको हीट सिंक देना, वो सब देने के लिए एटीएमपी वाला।
Mentang ina pai shwa sha ki khubor na kaleng ka perthai. Kanung Aiktien ka UN ka Stephanie Dujarric, kala ong ba u Secretary General ka UN u Antonio Guterres, ulapin pawi ka jing ngau kia jing mot halo ka jing yai beteng ka thma, hakathan pedeng jong ka deuba Asia, hakaba ulakintu ya baro bakin pai biang sha ka mi yekran. Ka United Nation kalakin tiuru banwan ra biang yakalait kawan kabalat luot haka duriao Strait of Hormuz da kabala maham bakathma ka bajur kan pinmi ekajing e ki bakraw ki patba ya ka shongshok shongsngan haka perthei bat kumju ru ya ka yok ka kod haka perthei baro ka we.
The Secretary General, I can tell, is deeply concerned by the continuing military escalation in the Middle East region. He calls on all parties to take immediate steps for de-escalation and return to the path of dialogue and diplomacy. The Secretary General reiterates that a return to full-scale hostilities would exact an intolerable toll on civilians and have catastrophic consequences for international peace and security and the global economy. And I think you heard from Maximo about the impact of what is going on in the Persian Gulf on the global economy. The Secretary General reiterates his call for the full restoration of international navigational rights and freedom of navigation in and around the Strait of Hormuz. The exercise of navigational rights and freedoms must be respected by all parties in accordance with international law.
Mentang ina pai sha ki khubor ye le kai. Ka ladu ha Kalimpong World Cup baladap ka Argentina sa shisin kalala banjambiang sya ka jingile kai final jong Kalimpong FIFA World Cup arajar arpun Rio hadian bakala job da ar la ka way persya e ke England ha ka jingile kai semi final ka ba ar hadian ba u Anthony Gordon ula yoban thap ko ningkong na kabenta ka England u Enzo Fernandez ulala ban pinyakhat kam hadian jong ka porile kai hashwa ba u Lautaro Martinez unyo ban pinki jar hashwa ban kunno ka porile kai ka Argentina menta kanikendu eka Spain ha ka jingile kai final lasi ublay kat ba ka England kanya khun persya eka France na ka benta ka jingile kai third place. Timin tapat inipit ika jinglong jingman ka sun beneng ha ka leng ki benta jong ka jila. Hatura kajing kriat kalong arpolai degree Celsius, but kajing shit kalong arpanyo degree Celsius. Kajing singam ka hau minta kasing kalong prapway na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong iway point nyo milimeter. Haba pai pat shanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong arpaway degree Celsius, but kajing shit kalong arposaw degree Celsius. Kajing singam ka hau minta kasing kalong prapho na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong point kandai milimeter. Katba hajuwai pat kajing kret kalong arpau degree Celsius, but kajing shet kalong arpun rio degree Celsius. Kajing sngam ka hau minta kasing kalong nyopo kandai na kashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong r.r millimeter. Kandun kajing hapslap ba kajing tit upar that ba malumala haki babun kajaka hatura Shillong ba Juwai. Di parlok katungi lapoi syaga pukut jang katuk khubor jingi minta ke step hadu bangene syam yang bat pi shibit ke janmit kublai pi baro.